Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have another exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two dash cams that promise to capture all the action on the road. On the left, we have the DKK Dash Cam, 1080p Full HD, and on the right, we have the Gmapop Dash Cam. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of dash cams. When it comes to a dash cam, video quality is of utmost importance. So let's see how these two contenders stack up. The DKK Dash Cam boasts a 170-degree wide-angle, 1080p front camera, and a 720p HD waterproof rear camera. This means it captures all three lanes of the road, ensuring you don't miss any crucial details. Now let's talk about the extra features that make these dash cams stand out. The DKK Dash Cam comes with a 32GB SD card included, so you don't have to worry about purchasing one separately. It also offers two mounting options, a suction cup for flexible placement and a 3M bracket for added stability. Driving at night can be challenging, but both these dash cams claim to excel in low-light conditions. The DKK Dash Cam features a WDR function that automatically adjusts the brightness, ensuring clear video recordings even in the darkest of nights. Safety is paramount when it comes to dash cams. The DKK Dash Cam offers loop recording, meaning it will overwrite the oldest video when the SD card is full. It also has an accident lock feature that automatically saves and locks videos when the car is hit. Based on online reviews, the DKK Dash Cam is recommended for its video quality, user-friendly interface, and the seller's commitment to standing by their products. On the other hand, the Gmapop Dash Cam is praised for its great functionality, picture quality, and ease of installation. Both dash cams have their unique strengths, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks. The DKK Dash Cam and the Gmapop Dash Cam both have their unique strengths. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Stay tuned for more comparisons and reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, drive safe and buy smart.